this operation successfully targeted the top of the fentanyl trafficking pyramid in British Columbia.
In late 2020, Victoria Police showed off a huge haul of fentanyl, cash and weapons seized in a joint operation with the Combined Forces Special Enforcement Unit. More than a year later, charges were laid against 3 men in connection with the $30 million drug bust known as Project Juliet.
This is a strong reminder to those that are actively involved in criminal activities and criminal enterprises that the police departments here locally and also our integrated units and our partnerships throughout the province of BC, that we will stop at nothing.
A recently released BC Supreme Court decision shows the case fell apart after it was revealed Victoria Police allowed an officer under criminal investigation for alleged corrupt practice to take an active role in the initial investigation. Justice Catherine Murray claims investigators tried to hide the fact now disgraced former officer Rob Ferris was involved by claiming the probe started in late June 2020 when it actually began in early May. Not only did police not mention the first investigation, they obscured it, she wrote.
Who dropped the ball?
Well, I think there was a number of mistakes that were made. I can tell you that at no point in time was there any attempt to try to derail the process or to mislead the court.
Murray's judgment comes after one of the accused, Brent Van Buskirk, successfully applied to access details about Ferris's role in Project Juliet. Charges against Vu Bao Nguyen and Brian Balla were stayed a year ago, while the Public Prosecution Service of Canada confirms charges against Van Buskirk, who was on parole for the 2004 murder of Ravi Nutt in Saanich at the time of his arrest, were stayed on January 19th. No reasons were provided on the record.
Now it's clear that there were several points of failure in our processes, and I apologize for our contribution to this outcome.
Although the Crown claims that Mr. Ferris played an insignificant role in the first investigation, the Crown's actions in staying the serious charges against Nguyen and Balla belie that, as do Vic PD's efforts in concealing the first investigation, wrote Murray. In Project Juliet, investigators misled the Crown, defense, and issuing justices by concealing the existence of the first investigation.
We have made changes and we have learned from this, and we're going to be better.
Kristen Robinson, Global News.